So this is the website which I have developed as a part of Project Zero. This is the homepage of my website, and you can see this image saying welcome, and these are the contents of website. These are the list of hyperlinks. By clicking these hyperlinks we can go to the respective pages, and this is another anchor tag. We can go to top of this page using that anchor tag. These four links are arranged in the table to reach any page from any other page in this website. Let us see the schools page in this website. The schools page consists about schools hyperlinks. If we click this hyperlink, it will direct us to the matter of JNTU University Kakinada, and here we can see an alert message describing that there is no information available. This can be done using Bootstrap. And this page I have also added a media query. When we try to print this page, we can see that only the information is getting printed but not these hyperlinks and my performance, and this my performance is not getting printed. I have added a media query, and for smaller screens, if you try to reduce the size of this, you can see that the table got disappeared. This can be done using media queries, and for larger screens you can still see this table. And let us see about me page. This about me page, I have described some content here in the form of 3 rows, 4 columns. These are 3 rows and each row contain 4 columns. These I have arranged this using Bootstrap Pro. For larger screens, each column take 3 columns of 12 columns. If we try to reduce the size of this, these columns will arrange themselves according to the size. You can see that for larger size window, there are 4 columns, and if we try to reduce the size, the number of columns displaying on the screen are reducing. And let us go to books.html page. In this page I have give information about the author, and you can see an alert message here. If we want to know more about, you can click here. This is hyperlink directing to Wikipedia page of the author Chetan Bhagat. If we go back, if you want to highlight the information, you can do this. This is different from the normal highlighting page, and you can see the code of this page. This is the code, and the highlighting is can be done using some CSS feature. And overall, this is my website. This website is very useful for beginners. Thank you.